Alright guys, I'm back. That's right. Sorry you guys got to see a picture of the ground there for a second. Well, I'm back at Superior Auto Sales. Again, they got a couple of new ones in since I recorded here the last time. So, you guys know the drill. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and that bell for notifications. And put some comments down below on some of the cars that I show you. So, I'm going to show you some new ones. And some of them that have been sold. This is a beautiful jet black convertible Cadillac. A little tough to get around everything. Get to the other side here. Yeah, this car is really nice. And nice and straight. This car is really pretty. The front end on that. Huge. Hood is gigantic. I'm going to squeeze in between them. Let's see what year this is. This is a 1965. The top is in beautiful shape. I don't know if it's... Looks like it's been replaced. It looks really, really new. So, this car is a beast. It is huge. Can't get over how big this car is. Nice red leather interior. Man. Mileage on it 760, but and all the numbers are straight. So who knows if it's original? I'm not sure. But this car is, you can fit 3 people in the back seat easy. I mean, this thing is wide as a pickup truck. Nice, and seats look like they're original too. Power window, power locks. I mean, this door is gigantic. And beautiful, clean car. Even if it has low mileage like that, or if it's higher, so what? I'd spend the money on this car. And yes, you guys know the drill, and the other things too. You will hear people talking. You'll hear cars and announcements and everything else. You guys remember this Mercedes? This truck had been sold. Which one was this again? Yeah, the 450. They got a BMW motorcycle in. It's a nice bike. Usually hadn't been that much into sport bikes, but that one's really cool. And a Range Rover. Let's see which one. Sorry guys, I'm squeezing in between everything. And also, you guys know if you see any cars, go under sascars.com. You will find every vehicle that I'm showing you and other that they have listed. I'm sure this one's pretty new too. It's like a dark brown, kind of copperish kind of color. This one's really nice. It's sharp too. Let's see what year it is. No. I'm sure this one's pretty new also. Nice interior. This one's like the Mercedes. It reminds me of it. Dark, like chocolate brown leather. Here's the key tag. It's a 2012. Definitely well taken care of. One's really nice too. It still smells really, really good. Little Fiat. This thing is tiny. This thing, teensy tiny. think you rub it on the carpet and it goes. It's a little guy. Little Fiat 500C. I have never sat in one of these things. Oh, the whole top cut back. That's pretty cool. This thing is so small. Yeah, it's a little guy. And the Porsche over there to bring it. Just took it in on trade, cleaning it up. And this Jeep right here, this one's been sold. This one's really sharp too. I'm gonna get along with the back of it. Yeah, it's an SRT8. This truck is cool. This is sharp. This is really, really nice. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Gray leather interior. Definitely a sharp looking truck. But somebody owns it now, so I'm not gonna climb all through it because it is sold. But here's another Maserati, just like the one that's up front. The one that's up front, I'm going to be able to show you guys more about it. And this one they just recently got, and it sold very quickly. Let me get along to the front of it here. It's like an electric blue. This is a really pretty blue if you can see it in the camera. That was loud. Take a quick look at the inside because this one has been sold, so I'm gonna do it really fast. The owners will be here to pick it up soon. I think this one has a little less bells and whistles. You know, a panoramic sunroof and that. Leather interior. And what year is this one? It is 2019. So this is a new truck. Well, pretty much new. I mean, if it has been driven, it ain't by much. And let's see what we got over here. I don't know if this is, they're gonna do some work to it or. How many years is this? 2013. It's a Kia Optima. It's actually a sharp looking car for being a Kia Optima. That's nice. The back end of it. It's actually a sharp looking car.